Hi, my name is Sergey. I am graphic designer at Origma. In this video, I will describe how to create preview mockups for garment. I will take a t-shirt as an example. It will be a simple mockup with one design area and a couple of different colors. So, to create a mockup, we need some real or realistic image of a product whose size and print area we know well. There we will place a smart object as a design placeholder, and then we can decorate our mockup with shadows, highlights, texture, and some scene if it is required. Okay, let's create our mockup. Go to File, New Document, and set 1000 by 1000 pixel size. For a better optimization, it is recommended to create document with around 1000 pixels by a longer side. For example, if you create a rectangle image, it can be 1200 by 800 or 1000 by 600 pixels. In our case, it is square and it is 1000 by 1000 pixels. The resolution is 72 pixels per inch and RGB color mode. Create. Convert background layer to a simple layer, double click on the layer and change name to background. OK. Now let's add the product images. Our t-shirt will have a color option, therefore we have the image for each color. You can place all of them simply by drag and drop from a folder, like this. Just drag and drop and press OK on the images. Or go to File, place Embedded, and add images one by one. Imagine that our product supplier has already prepared images well, so we just need to place it one above the other. Then hold Shift key and select all images. Click right mouse button and rasterize layers. Go to Layer, not this, Layer, Group Layers, or press Ctrl G. Rename the group to Color. Customer scanners will search the group by this name. The names of the images are also important, and it should be exactly the same as the option name from your e-commerce system. For example, if the option name is dark red and each word starts with a capital letter, the layer name should be the same. Okay, save the PSD file, for example, as a preview mockup t. Save. Now let's add a smart object. The best way to do it is to take original design file, which you are going to print. It has printing parameters, but actually we just need this smart object with the same aspect ratio, not actual size. Go to Image, Mode, Convert to RGB, again Image, Image Size, choose Pixels, set 72 dpi resolution, and set 1000 pixels by a longer side. Okay, add new layer, go to Edit, Fill, Contents Color, select white color. Okay, I'll zoom it and rename the layer to Image. Customer scanners will search this name to replace the layer with the design image. It can be any different name, but the same in all similar mockups. Delete all other layers and save the PSD file with the name design. It will be the name of our smart object. Therefore, it is also important to create one name for all similar mockups. Save the file. Now go back to our mockup and add our smart object by drag and drop or File, place Embedded, and place. As you remember, we know the size of our t-shirt and the size of print area, so scale and adjust it is required. A little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Place it on the top. And finally, we need to make our print area more realistic by adding a texture of the product. Copy the layer with white t-shirt and place it on the top. Rename it to Texture, for example, and change blending mode to multiply. Let's change the opacity to 50%. I think looks good. Do not pay attention to the white rectangle. This layer is required. It is visible in Photoshop, but will be replaced with the design image in customer's canvas. Now we can save our mockup, upload it to customer's canvas and link it with some personalization workflow. How to do it you can find in the help center at customerscanvas.com. Okay, let's take a look at our mockup in customer's canvas workflow. I have already set a simple editor for our t-shirt. This is the editor mockup. How to create editor mockups I'll describe in the next video. Now let's add some image to the t-shirt. Adjust a little bit, something like this. Okay, nice. And go to approval step. This is our preview mockup with the custom design and working color options. Preview mockup can be more realistic if you choose some 3D perspective image with a more distinctive texture. That's all. Thank you for your time and see you later.